going to talk about how to enhance your entrance on your doors, your front porch. Right? A lot of options from installing locks, right, to the simplest thing is putting in a door knocker. Right? All come with everything you need to install except for screwdrivers and your drill. Okay? So has anybody here ever installed a door lock? I've got one and she works here. I can't. Have you? Anybody here ever installed a door lock? Never. Okay. Oh, I got a hand there. I got a hand here. I got one there. One there. So pretty simple, right? Was it pretty easy? No. Did you have a install kit? You had the install kit? So you had this kit right here. You did? Was it easy? Pretty easy. All your instructions are in here. You just line all your guides up, drill your hose. Right? This is the kit, right? This is what it consists of. You have your template, which just slides over, right? So it shows you, I mean, if you got, all you do is measure and mark, right? Then you have your hose saws, right, for cutting your hose. You have a little arbor that goes in your drill, right? This just fastens. Yeah, this just fastens onto here, right? There's actually lost a piece out of the kit. So, and then you just drill all your hose. Then when you start to install your locks, everything is real simple, right? It's supposed to be simple. You've got your screws. They ran them all the way in, so. You have your plate, which fits on over here, right, and your deadbolt. Right, so we're obviously doing a deadbolt. You got the little pin, slides in. Then you put your screws back in. That is it. I mean, that's the whole thing. Right? Yes? Okay. On these? Okay. They make an L-shaped screwdriver, right? It comes across as L, right? So it'll fit right in here, and that's what you use. Okay. I mean, I'm not going to put the screws in, but that's basically what you have, right? So from putting the doorknob on to a deadbolt, you can enhance the way your door looks. Same thing with your doorknob, right? It installs the same way, right? Once it's in, of course you want your key to the outside, return lock to the inside. I have seen people install them backwards, right? And you walk up to the door and you're like, well, that's great. You can lock your door with the thumb latch from the outside. But guess what? I can unlock it and come in. But just little things like that. We do have some other things to talk about. Sharon, you want to go through some of this stuff with them?
We have a pumpkin this year that you can carve yourself. Can y'all hear me? Okay. We have a pumpkin that you can carve yourself this year. And we have a carving kit for it. It comes with different faces and designs on it inside. And so if you decide you want to get one of these, we also have little candle lights that you can put inside of them to light them up at night.
It's foam.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah, and then, so we have little kits for that. And we have seasonal rugs that are back in the flooring.
No, those are front.
Oh, these are? Oh, they're up front now.
No.
Huh? What'd she say? Oh,
No.
no,
I do, actually, right here.
we have these up front, and they're just seasonal rugs. Let's see. Pumpkins, turkeys.
Just welcome.
Oh, okay. So we have the welcome mats. These are back in the flooring, right? Can I get those out?
Here, I'll pull them out.
Men pack things differently than we do, so.
There's a welcome mats, right? I mean, the simple things can enhance,
Yeah.
you know, your entryway. Flowers, you know. I mean, you got walkways, I mean, a sidewalk going up to your front door, okay, or a walkway, right? I mean, just small shrubs, right? Something that flowers enhances it. One of the biggest things that really enhances your front entranceway is a light, right? Light makes a lot of difference. Bought a house about 5 years ago. They had this little rinky-dink light up. Looked awful, right? Installed one of these, right? Makes a big difference. I mean, a huge difference, right? The other thing also is, how many of you have seen these? This is solar-powered post light. Okay? Something simple. There's no wiring, right? There's no gas, right? Put it on the pole, tighten it down, you are done. Right? Battery operated? Yes. How much does it cost? I will let you know in about. We have different styles too, different colors. This is $89.97. That's just the top piece. I'm not sure. I should have brought one, but I didn't. Okay.
Does that happen?
Eventually, you will have to replace the batteries. They're just a little solar knockout batteries. Right. So it's just like any solar light. Once the batteries are gone, you have to replace them. But you're looking probably at about 4 or 5 years of battery life.
It's LED, so
and it's LED.
the lights, yeah, the battery will last.
Right, so it's
What?
wattage.
Well, it's LED. It's going to be different than. Let me see.
Your looms, okay. 139 looms. It's LED.
It's extra.
It's brighter than the regular. It's brighter than the regular path lights. Okay. You're looking at. It says 11 hours operating time. So it's going to operate quite a while.
So 11 hours and then you have to replace the battery?
No.
No,
It'll work for 11 hours. The battery won't have to be replaced for maybe 4 or 5 years.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's solar power.
It's solar powered, so it's going to recharge. Right. This
This is like the doors, you know.
the doorbell. You know, doorbell. I mean, there's different styles, different types. There's wired. There's wireless doorbells now, right? They enhance the entranceway. I mean, it makes a difference, right? And everybody's favorite, a peephole, right? It's a hole. It goes on your door for looking through to see who's out there, right? It's a door viewer is what it is, right? Solid doors without glass, these are great to have, right? Just make sure that whoever installs it, or if you install it, that you don't install it up here where you're having to. You want it down here where you can see, right? Very easy to install, right? All it is a drill and a drill bit. And this one looks like it's a 1/2 inch hole. So you drill a 1/2 inch hole,